Pause the video now, have a go at the question, and press play when you're ready for the solution.
Right, so this is an algebraic fraction question. You're asked to simplify this as much as possible. When you get a question like this that has a quadratic on the top and a quadratic on the bottom, basically the idea is that you factorise the top and the bottom, expect them to have a bracket in common that you can cancel out, and that's what you do. So I'm going to factorise the top first. Because 3 is a prime number, the only way you can really make 3 is to do 3 times 1. So that tells you that your brackets are going to start with 3x and x. The two numbers at the end have got to multiply to make 10. You haven't got many options for 10, have you? You've got 1 and 10, 2 and 5. You've got to decide what's going to go in there, so you're going to be able to make minus 1. And if you look at it for a few moments, you should be able to spot if you put 2 in here and 5 in here, the difference between 6 and 5 is 1. So because it's minus 1, I want minus 6 plus 5 to get minus 1. Now on the bottom, you should be well trained now, so you spot difference of 2 squares whenever you see it. So we know that that factorises to make x plus 2 times x minus 2. And the bracket they have in common is x minus 2, so I can cancel those out. It might be a good idea, however, if you find the first factorisation complicated, to do the easier factorisation first, because we can assume that one of these brackets is going to be one of the brackets on the top. So if you're struggling to spot this factorisation, if you do the bottom one first, then you can say, well, what about if one of the brackets was x minus 2? What about if one of the brackets was x plus 2? And it could help you that way. So if I just write what we've got left. And that's what we've got. And the thing you've got to remember now at this point is to stop. Don't go any further. Don't try and cross out the x's. Don't do anything else. This is the end.